Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my Norris Stamp Art Studio. I'm the artist Lina. It's a new episode, and then this time you come to the artist vlogs, and you're gonna see behind the scene. What do I do after or before I create arts? Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about a color palette. Yeah, I'm gonna create a new color palette for my painting. Here is my new color palette. You want to know how I did that? So stay tuned guys. Let's see the whole process to the end. Alright, let's get started. First thing first, what do you need? Number 1. Watercolor paints and palette. Number 2. Scissors. Number 3. Watercolor paper. Number 4. Clips. Number 5. Watercolor paintbrush. And you're good to go. So why is color so important? We all know that colors create a vibrant visual experience. They make things more attractive, affect our mood, and can even subconsciously shape action. As a result, to make the artwork stand out, artists put a lot of thought into the colors they use. Some colors evoke universal emotion responses. I'm pretty interested in pastel colors recently. I cannot wait to share with you. A muted pastel color palette can be neutral. As I say, like recently, I've been trying out different new color palette. And today, I just want to make some new color for myself, but quite simple palette chart. I've tried to find a balance of cool and warm shades. I think that's quite important for me. So that's what I'm gonna try out today. I want to fill my new color palette with a balance of warm and cool colors. This is a great way to expand my mixable palette and create a beautiful feeling of depth in my new paintings. As you know that cool colors tend to receive visually in a painting, while warm colors appear closer. So a combination of cool and warm shades gives you as an artist a great manipulation tool. I want to use this tool really well, and I want to make a balance, like I said earlier, in between the cool and warm shades. So today I'm just gonna try different colors, and I will make a decision what kind of colors I'm gonna use in my new painting series. Of course, as water is added to a pigment, it will appear lighter. But always choose colors based upon how it looks to you. And do you feel satisfied with it? What do you think after you try them on paper or canvas? Is the feeling right, or it is totally wrong? After all, it's supposed to be your own palette and you create your own style. If you want to have a look at more of my artworks and my works in progress, or just some random daily artist vlogs or traveling vlogs and behind the scene pictures in my art studio, feel free to check out my Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me at Norway Stamp Art Studio. So guys, in general, the colors I want to try out are, for the cold color series, I want to try blue and green. For blue, I tried this French Ultramarina and Cerulean Blue Chromium. For the green, I just want to try out the sap green. I've always loved Pantone Living Cora, so I love this Cora color. I want to try to use it. Watercolor is really very easy to test out different new color palette. I really love to use this tool. And I also like some pink color, so I use this Pearl Scarlet. I want to try some brownish earth colors, so I choose this burnt sienna. I'm quite satisfied with the results. I cannot wait to use them in my new painting. So, are you gonna try out make some new palette chart like this? It's pretty easy to make, isn't it? But it really is very practical when you try different new color palette in your new creation. You can hang them up on the wall or just put inside your notebook. And maybe in another season you want to try more, so you collect different color palette. Isn't it awesome? And so I'm getting ready to start my new adventure on my new painting. Guys, I really hope you have a nice day. Remember, it's a happy day with us, and can't wait that you subscribe my channel and come back to my Norway Stamp Art Studio. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. It will encourage me to create more videos like this. And if you have any kind of comment, please write below. Let me know what you're thinking. Lovelies, if you're interested in my original art and design works and product, you're more than welcome to check out my website www.norwaystamp.com. You will find some surprise there. I hope that my art and design will bring you a wonderful day. It's a happy day with us. I hope you have a happy day. And don't forget to check out my other art videos. And we will see you in the next. Bye guys!